Looking for the fuse box in your 2006 to 2018 Mercedes Sprinter? I'll show you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can find the right fuse quickly. Under driver's seat fuse box. The under driver's seat fuse box in Mercedes-Benz Sprinter models from 2006 to 2018 manages high amperage circuits for heater boosters, battery systems, and auxiliary power functions. In 2006 to 2018 Sprinter models, the F59-7 pre-fuse box safeguards and manages power for auxiliary circuits tied to the auxiliary battery. In 2006 to 2018 Sprinter models, the F59-8 pre-fuse box safeguards high amperage circuits and manages power for secondary auxiliary systems. Instrument panel fuse box, right side. The instrument panel fuse box in 2006 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz Sprinters distributes and protects power for interior electronics, including dashboard controls, lighting, and infotainment systems. The footwell pre-fuse box in 2006 to 2018 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter distributes and safeguards power to major electrical components in the secondary fuse boxes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.